Hello everyone. Finding the integral of sine root of x divided by root of x is super easy. Just you need to substitute u is equal to root of x. Now I can write this root of x as x की power 1 over 2. So if I take the derivative of this u, I will get du 1 over 2 root of x into dx. Now by rearranging this equation, I will get 2 into du is equal to dx over root of x. Now see this dx over root of x, here this d over root of x is equal to 2 du. Now substitute the values, you will get sine of u into 2 du. Now we have to find the integral of this sine u. So that means 2 into sine u du. It is super easy to find the integral of sine u, that is minus cos of u. So this becomes minus 2 cos of u. Now as our u is equal to root of x, just substitute the value of u. So you will get minus 2 cos of root of x plus c. So the integral of sine root of x or root of x dx is equal to minus 2 cos root of x plus c over an open interval. So thank you so much.